Alright. Hi guys, so today I kind of wanted to go over one of our favorite patterns here at the Real Trader, and it's what we call a rally-based rally. It's what we learned it as, or a drop-based drop. And what tends to happen is the market basically pushes up, pauses, pushes again, and when we come back to that area where the market had a pause, whether it's down, whether it's sideways here, then the market rejects here. This is a good area to buy, and the market goes up. And it's the opposite in the drop-based drop, where we have a drop, base, or a pause, drop, and the market comes back to that area, rejects. We could enter selling here, and that's a good place to sell. And just looking at the pound JPY here, we could identify a couple within this move because the market likes this. That's why it's one of our favorite patterns. So just from this push here, we had a drop. This here is a base or pause in this instance. The market pushed away from it, came back to the area here, and then fell. So again, with this one, right, the market, we would have taken a sell trade right here. After this, the market continued to fall fine. When the market started going up, we had basically a rally, base, rally. Then the market came back down to this area and then went up. So again, we have that setup. Even on this little move up here, we could see another one. We could see the market gave us a rally, base or pause. The market pulled away, came back, and you see I spoke about the rejections at this level here. The market rejected this level and then continued going up. So that is how we had that move here, a smaller one within the bigger move here. You want to see it again as the market is falling on this side here. What did the market do? The market basically dropped, base, pulled away from it, came back up to it. In this instance, it kind of tested it one more time, and then fell. So it's a little different on this one, but it's basically the same pattern. And this is a pattern that repeats itself. And if you are patient enough to wait for this pattern or this setup, this can give you a very good trading opportunity. So it's a matter, and this happens on a lot of time frames. So yesterday when we were sharing the pattern, I believe it was on the Euro, US dollar. So even this morning trade or today's trades, right? What did we have? We had a rally, base, market pushed away, came back to that area. We had a nice bullish engulfing at that area, and then the market pushed up today. So as I said, this is a pattern that repeats itself in the market, and if you learn this pattern, this is going to be one of the easiest ways for you to make money. You just have to be patient when doing it. Alright, once you are patient enough to wait, because as you can see, it's going to take a couple candles to form this pattern. But when you do get the pattern, you have enough confirmation. This would have been a nice buy here, and the market would go up, giving you your 1 to 3. Let's see if we bought this bullish engulfing. You put your stop beyond here, and we would have gotten our 1 to 3. 1 to 2 minimum is what we do, but today we would have gotten more than 1 to 3 if you did stay in on this trade here. And that's basically how you trade it. Once you get the rejection down at this area here, you can look to enter, and the market goes away. So again, just to make sure that everybody understands it, and you could start looking for it on your own, we have a rally, followed by a base or a pause with a rally. When the market does this, and then is working its way back down, and it comes to this area, and you have rejection around the same area that it bounced last time, this is a good place to enter. Once we start getting wicks here, once we start getting, like this example, bullish confirmation, that's where you look to enter, and you could take the ride ideally all the way back up to the top, or if it is you want to go after your 1 to 3 based on where targets are to the left. That's when it's the rally-based rally. When it's the drop-based drop, it's basically just the opposite. It's drop, market corrects, right, or forms a base or a pause, continues to fall, pulls back to this area. Once we start seeing rejections here, this is where you're going to be looking to sell. Stop goes above the rejection, alright, and your first target could be the low of the whole formation or the whole pattern, guys. It's a simple pattern. easy to use. Once you train your eyes to start seeing it, you will see it on any pair.